Attic insulation and roofing errors. The connection. A house is only as good as the roof on it. Your roof could have taken a hit during winter, and the turn of the season is the best time to secure it against the coming seasons. Spring is the best time to inspect the damage on your roof and make early repairs. Some problems in your roof may not be obvious to the untrained eye, and a roofing contractor is the person to call in to certify your roof for upcoming seasons. A problem with the roof may affect attic insulation and insulation in all other areas above the ceiling. Here are basic tips on the signs to look out for when inspecting your house. Problems indicating a potentially bigger problem. The first sign of trouble anywhere in the attic or above the ceiling is traces of water. There are different levels of water traces. Some droplets of moisture may indicate that some water is seeping through. This could be little water coming from morning dew seeping through spaces in the house's roof. Any moisture on the inside of your ceiling is a sign of trouble waiting to become a bigger problem if not handled early. Another obvious sign is a leak causing dampness on the ceiling. With time, such a leak will become a point of weakness, making your house a lot less energy efficient and even potentially unsafe. A little or a lot of water on your ceiling indicates the presence of a hole, and such a hole means your house is leaking warm or cool air. Discolored sections of wall or ceiling. In some instances, you may have missed the damp sections altogether, and the water has already started to damage your home. A discolored section on the ceiling is an early indication that there could be a problem up on the roof. Staining happens when there's a leak on the roof causing the section of the ceiling to rot. Bumpy and peeling paintwork is another sign that there could be a problem on the roof. Wallpaper is highly susceptible to damage from a leak. Keenly inspect the attic to ensure that the wallpaper or paint is smooth and dry. Bumpy sections could mean your attic insulation will require some work. Homes with steel roofing may have such peeling showing up in a section significantly further from the actual leak. A roofing contractor will inspect all of the sections of the roof, including the roof siding, to ascertain the exact location of the leak. Cracks and obvious spaces are trouble. When inspecting your home for damage after winter, keep a lookout for any section with a crack or an unusual spacing. The weight of snow and debris on a roof during winter can cause a crack. It's important not to diagnose a crack alone without the counsel of a professional. Cracks may be a sign of a much bigger problem with the entire structure of the house, or they can be non-issues only requiring minor repair. Either way, one should not gamble with a crack, as it can lead to much greater damage to the house in time.